Formax presents the FD6104 low-volume office inserter. The Formax FD6104 inserter is compact, quiet, energy efficient, and easy to use, ideal for low-volume office mailings. The inserter can process up to 5,000 mail pieces per month and can accommodate sheets up to 14 inches in length. With a processing speed of up to 1,350 inserts per hour, jobs that take hours to do by hand can be completed in minutes. A 5-inch color touchscreen, automatic job setup, and 15 programmable jobs make operation easier than ever before. The innovative clamshell cover design provides users with easy access to make adjustments and to clear the paper path. The FD6104 comes standard with 2 sheet feeders that hold up to 100 sheets each, and an insert feeder that holds up to 100 BRS or small inserts. It also includes an adjustable outfeed catch tray for proper stacking. An optional fold-only even panel tri-fold kit is available, which enables the FD6104 to fold letters or brochures with even panels that don't require inserting. The user-friendly color touchscreen control panel features a graphical user interface with intuitive icons for unmatched ease of operation. For energy savings, the FD6104 includes an automatic sleep mode, which puts the inserter into standby after 1 hour of being idle. To set up and operate the FD6104, begin by loading the feeders. Next, press the New Job button and follow the step-by-step job wizard to set up your mailing based on the number of sheets, inserts, and the carrier envelope size. Press the One-Time button for a test piece. Check the piece to be sure it's correct. If the documents are accurately folded and inserted, press the OK button. Now, press the Save icon to name the job. With the name entered, press the Start button to begin processing. The outfeed catch tray holds the finished pieces in a neat sequential order, making them easy to unload for further processing. The FD6104 inserter combines user-friendly features with quiet, reliable operation, making it ideal for today's office environment.